Before we start, please subscribe the channel and turn all notifications on. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to Cook's Travel. Today we are gonna make one of the best Australian dish, kangaroo burger. I'm not really sure you had it before, but I can easily say it's got less fat in that, and cooking process, you gotta be a little bit careful on that one because you can't overcook it. It gets really hard to eat it. I got all ingredients here. It's gonna be basic one. Lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, egg, salt, pepper and some herbs in that with olive oil obviously. You can use any type of oil, all up to you, but I use olive oil today. So let's get started. Okay, we are heating up the pan, a little bit of oil, and we'll wait. I will be writing all ingredients under the video, so if you want to put any comments or any idea I could put into the hamburgers, please just put it under the comment section. I'll come up and talk about this one. It's pretty red, less in the fat. There's some ingredients inside. Probably you can notice it from here, but I'll be adding under the video this one too. Okay, now olive oil is ready. When you are using olive oil, you've got to be really careful. If you heat it up really high, it burns and starts giving smoke. You lose taste or flavor, all of that. So this is ready now, and we'll send two of those ones to the plate. And another one. Don't try to spill. We'll need another pan for egg and other ingredients. I'll put it in the lower heat, so we'll have slow cooking method. See? Onions, another pan. We will give a little bit push, press. It will help the cooking process. I'll add the butter now, because if you put it too early, it burns. Change the color and taste. Ooh, we are gonna have beautiful kangaroo dish today. See, the blood comes out from the buns. Juicy meat. You gotta press it all the time. It will let the water, juice, blood comes out. You gotta press it all the time. Onion goes next to the burgers. We are going to use this pan for cooking eggs. A bit more oil for eggs. We'll have 2 eggs because I'm going to make 2 of them now. Two beautiful eggs. I warm up the burger mass next to the meat patties. They look pretty delicious. See how it goes. We'll have a test later on. Leave this one here. A little bit more on top of it. Cheese goes on top of it, so it's going to be melted there. As you see, when you cook kangaroo burger, you gotta be very gentle. Try not to overcooked, because once you overcooked in the beginning, I said, you know, it just gets really hard and tough. Now it's beautiful, juicy and soft. The burger's ready. Now I'm starting putting all together. Lettuce. Just a tomato. One slice each. Onions. The meat goes on top of it, kangaroo patty. And this one here. An egg. Look at this, it's still juicy. Beautiful runny eggs. All up to you. You could use barbecue sauce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, alternatively mayo. So I'm going to use today mayo. On top of the bread. This is the burger bun. So what I'm going to do now, before cutting it, I'll transfer it to the cutting board. There's a beautiful kangaroo burgers. Let's have a test. It's true kangaroo burger patties and egg, lettuce, tomato, onion, mayonnaise sauce. Beautiful. Have a taste.